uStein wayenikwe umsebenzi wokukhipha ama-records ezingcingo ezangena komakhalekhukhwini babasolwa kanye nabantu ababesendlini ngosuku okwabulawa ngalo uMeyiwa. Ummeli womsolwa wesihlanu u-Advocate Zandile Mshololo usola uStein ngokufaka inombolo kaNtuli kuma-records ezingcingo athi zangena ku-cellphone kaKelly Khumalo.
So it means this document was editable when you were working on it on the computer before you print it.
That's correct.
Okay.
But I didn't edit anything before. I used the last column.
How can we believe that you did not change any information on this transaction? You only added the P23. You were alone when we were working on this document.
Umshololo umile kwelokuthi ama-records afika noStein awabuyi kumakhalekhukhwini kaKelly Khumalo.
Colonel, this information does not come from Kelly Khumalo's cell phone. Where is Kelly Khumalo's cell phone? We want to see it. We must open it and see to verify if this information, it was downloaded from Kelly Khumalo's cell phone.
Icala lizobuyela enkantolo kusasa nalapho kuzophekwa khona ngemibuzo uColonel Chris Mangena osekuphele unyaka ethule ubufakazi enkantolo kodwa akakaze aphekwe ngemibuzo abameli.